This is the key for FYI quiz number 3. Okay, first part we're differentiating. Here I have x squared, so f prime of x. The exponent 2 comes in front, so I get 2 times x. The power goes down by 1, so it's x to the 1, which I can just leave as x. Part B, it's just a polynomial, so it's kind of the same deal. G prime of t. 3 comes in the front, multiplies by the 3 and becomes 9. Power goes down by 2 to become 2. The 2t just becomes a 2, and the minus 5 is a constant, so it goes away. For part C, I want to rewrite this root as a power because it's less confusing. So square root is the same as to the 1/2 power. So when I take the derivative, my 1/2 comes in front, and the power goes down by 1. 1/2 minus 1 is negative 1/2. The plus 1/2 at the end is a constant, so it goes away. If you want to be fancy, you can write this as 1/2 square root of x. Either answer is fine. For part D, capital F prime of x, the 5/11 comes in front. X, 5/11 minus 1 is negative 6/11. If that's hard, we do it like this. 5/11 minus 1 is 5/11 minus 11/11, which is 5 minus 11 over 11, which is negative 6/11. Done. Okay, here we're multiplying. The first one is a 2 by 2, so I'm going to use FOIL, which stands for first, outside, inside, last. So the first ones are x and 3x. That gives me 3x squared. The outside ones are x and 8, so I get plus 8x. The inside ones are 2 and 3x, so I get 6x. And the last ones are 2 and 8, so I get 16. When I add my like terms, I get 3x squared plus 14x plus 16. For part B, because it's a 2 by 3, I can't just FOIL, but it's kind of the same deal. But I'm going to write it in an easier way. I'm going to take the x and the 2 and I'm going to distribute them. So I have x times x squared plus x plus 1 plus 2 times x squared plus x plus 1. So there's my 2, there's my x. Then I can just distribute each of these, so I get x cubed plus x squared plus x plus 2x squared plus 2x plus 2. Checking for like terms, I have an x squared and a 2x squared, and I have an x and a 2x. So I will get x cubed plus 3x squared plus 3x plus 2. The other way I like to do these is similar to regular long multiplication with numbers. It's like this: x squared plus x plus 1 times x plus 2. So 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times x is plus 2x. 2 times x squared is 2x squared. Scooch over 1. X times 1 is plus x. X times x is plus x squared. X times x squared is plus x cubed. My terms lined up, so I can say x cubed plus 3x squared plus 3x plus 2. And that's it.